Find or read reviews that people are talking about SbocKeeb 75% wireless creamy mechanical keyboard. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Tri-mode connectivity. This pink wireless mechanical keyboard offers Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB wired connections, letting you connect up to 5 devices simultaneously. Switch easily with shortcut keys or a button. Compatible with PCs, laptops, tablets, phones, PS, and Xbox. Hot swappable customization keyboard. This pink 75% custom mechanical keyboard supports 3-pin or 5-pin switch replacements, suitable for DIY enthusiasts without needing soldering skills. It comes with pre-lubricated stabilizers and linear gray cream switches for a smooth, responsive typing and gaming experience. Gasket mounted and 5-layer padding. This thocky creamy heavy mechanical keyboard features a gasket structure. Enjoy superior typing comfort and reduced noise with gasket mounting and 5-layer padding. This pink ergonomic keyboard design enhances stability and provides a creamy keyboard feel. Customizable 16.8 million RGB backlit, light-up RGB keyboard features 16.8 million RGB lighting color. Customize the lighting with effects via software, elevate your gaming with dynamic RGB lighting. Customize the vibrant effects to match your style and create an immersive experience with this 75% wireless gaming keyboard. You can select the single color effect as wish, and if you can turn the backlight off if you do not need it. Professional gaming features. Designed for gamers, this 81-key 75% layout Bluetooth mechanical keyboard wireless saves space while retaining essential keys. The multi-function knob controls media, and you can program keys for macros to enhance gaming and productivity. N-key rollover and WIN key lock prevent accidental presses during intense gaming. Additionally, this rechargeable keyboard features a high-capacity 4000 mAh battery, providing extended battery life to keep you powered throughout your day. Multi-function control knob. In both gaming and office modes, the knob allows for easy control and quick adjustments. Use the knob to adjust the volume and click the knob to control media play and pause. Universal compatibility. This pink gaming keyboard wireless model is compatible with both Win and Mac operating systems. Effortlessly switch between platforms, whether you're on a PC, laptop, Xbox, or PS4, using the USB wireless dongle or Bluetooth connectivity. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.